Have you ever noticed how fast your PC boots? A big reason for that is a feature called fast startup. But what is it, and should you leave it on? Today we're diving into what fast startup does, some of its differences, and why a shutdown is not the same as a restart when this feature is enabled. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll have to steal your RAM. Simply put, fast startup is a hybrid feature that combines a traditional shutdown with hibernation. It was first introduced in Windows 8. When you shut down your PC with fast startup enabled, Windows closes all your running programs and user sessions, but instead of fully powering down the core operating system, it saves an image of the kernel and loaded drivers to a file on your hard drive, similar to how it does with a full hibernation. What does this accomplish? Speed. The next time you press the power button, Windows doesn't have to go through the entire process of initializing and loading all the system files from scratch. It just reads that saved file from the hard drive, loads everything into memory, and boom, you're at the login screen much faster. It's essentially skipping the deeper, time-consuming startup steps. So what's the difference between having this on or off? When fast startup is on, you get those super fast boot times, but your computer never truly performs a full, clean shutdown. The operating system state is preserved. When fast startup is off, you'll have a slightly slower boot time because the computer goes through a full or cold shutdown. This means it completely clears memory and reinitializes all drivers and system files from the beginning. This is the traditional complete power down we're used to. This preserved state leads to a critical point. When fast startup is on, a shutdown does not clear problems the way a restart does. Many system issues like driver glitches, memory leaks, or software conflicts are often fixed by a restart because it forces Windows to completely close and reload everything, including the system files and all its drivers. If you have fast startup enabled, a regular shutdown skips that full reload because it's loading the save state of the system. So if something is glitching, shutting down and turning your computer back on might just load the glitch right back up. Always choose restart to fix system issues. Before I continue, I want to let you know about the guides I've created to help you get the most from your technology. Links are in the description. Go check them out after the video. Let me show you how to turn fast startup on or off. Search for Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, go to Power Options, and select Choose what the power buttons do. Make sure you select Change Settings that are currently unavailable, and right here you can turn on or off fast startup. If you change this, make sure you select Save Changes. I have a couple of tips for you for managing fast startup. If you dual boot with another operating system like Linux, you should turn fast startup off. This preserved state can prevent the other OS from starting correctly, leading to file corruption. Also, if you're having weird PC issues, the first thing to try is a restart. If that fails, try turning fast startup off and then doing a full shutdown. Let your computer sit for a few minutes, then power on your computer again. Fast startup is a fantastic feature for faster boots, but it's important to know the limitations, especially the difference between a shutdown and a restart. Use a restart for system maintenance and troubleshooting. Let me know in the comments if you keep fast startup on or off. If you found this video helpful, please check out this other one for more tech explanations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.